Okay. Presents from Nana and Papa.
Better open them up.
Who's that right there?
Oh, mine.
Keep going, get it open.
What is it? Mine.
That's yours.
Oh, mine.
Doesn't matter, it's just mine.
Candy.
It's pretty cool. You're gonna like it.
No candy.
No, not candies.
Mine. Mine. Mine.
You definitely like that.
Oh,
Oh, man. I want this.
what is it? It's a mower. You can help Daddy mow the grass. The grass that the
Oh
sheep eat.
boy, oh boy.
Danny probably like helping in
Grass,
the yard.
Grass. You like mowers. You haven't seen one for a while though.
Colt, come here. Say thank you, Nana and Papa.